students, welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to start with a practical session. In this video, we are going to do the practical of view each page before printing, print a document, print part of a document, etc. So let's begin with the practical. If you want to take a printout of any document, first you have to open the document. How you will open any document? See the steps. If you want to open any MS Word document, first keep your cursor on start button. This is the start button. Single click on start button. Select Microsoft Word 2010. Microsoft window will be appear on the screen. This is the file tab. Click on this file tab and open the desired document. How you will open desired document? Just click on open button and select the document. I will select this document. Just single click on that document. Now I want to take the printout of this document. If you want to view each page before document, see the steps. This is the file tab. Click on this file tab. Then submenu will be appear. From here you have to select print button. Single click on print button with the help of mouse. From here you can see the preview of your document. If you want to see the next page, click on this next arrow. If you want to see the previous page of your document, click on this previous arrow. Now let us see the steps how you will print a document. Same procedure, click on file tab and click on print button. Now do all the settings from this. This is the setting button. From here you have to do the setting of your document, and this is the print button. After you have done all the setting, you have to click on this print button to take the printout of your document. In this way you can take the printout of your document. Now let us see the different ways to print a document. Same process we have to do. This is the file tab. Click on file tab. From here you have to select the print option. Click on this print option. Then go on setting. This is the setting. If you want to print all the pages of your document, click on print all pages. This is the print button. And click on this print button. Now if you want to print the current page which is displayed here, see the preview of the page. Go on print current page, click on this option. Then click on this print button. You will get the printout of the current page. Now if you want the printout of only odd pages of your document, go on settings, click on this current page and select print only odd pages. This is the option for only print odd page. When you select this option and click on this print button, you will get the printout of only odd pages. Now if you want only the printout of even pages, same process we have to do. From here select only print even pages. Select here only print even pages. Now click on the print button. This is the print button. Then you will get the printout of only even pages of your document. Now if you want to print the selected pages of your document, click on all pages. From here you have to select print custom range. Click on this print custom range and write the page number. Now I want to print out of first page, second page, then from page number 5 to 9 I want. You will get the printout of only first, second and from 5 to 9. Write the page number here and click on this print button. You will get the printout of the selected pages. And now if you want a printout of only selected text, select the text. from your document. Now I have selected this much text. To take a printout, same procedure, go on File tab, select the print button, and from here go on Settings. From Settings, All Pages. Next, Print Selection. Click on this Print Selection option. Now you click on this print button. You will get the printout of only selected text. Now if you want to change the orientation of your document, see the steps. File tab, print option. From settings, you have to select that portrait orientation. If you want to change landscape, select the landscape orientation. You can see the preview of your document here. If you want portrait orientation, same, click here and select the desired option. You will see the preview here and click on print button. This is the print button. Click on this print button. Now if you want to print many copies of a single page, just next to this large print button there is a copies option. Keep your cursor here and select and type the number of copies, how much copies you want. Suppose I will write 5 here, and click on this large print button. Click on this print button. You will get the 5 copies of your document. I hope you understood the printing options. We will continue the same topic in the next video. Till then, bye bye.